YouTube? What up, YouTube? We back with another video. Heading down to New York. I'm gonna see if there's some car spot down there. I know there was a car meet going on. I'm gonna go down there and see. I'm gonna meet up. Right now it's me and my boy Urbane. And then I'm gonna meet up with my friend Chris and his little brother. But yeah, man. Hope you guys are down for the ride, man. Enjoy it. This nigga is bugging out, bro. This nigga is bugging out. This nigga is... I'm gonna get Urbane some custom taillights for real. 1000% need some taillights. But nah, man, I'm excited, bro. I'm excited. There is this food spot that Chris said he had that we're gonna go try out. Yo, if Urbane got a front splitter, bro, and some M mirror caps and he debadges his shit, swear to God, that nigga would have aura. Plus 1,000 aura per carbon per carbon fiber car part this nigga put on. Oh, he's bugging. Oh yeah. I'm here. I'm here with it. 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 What's he wanna do? What's he wanna do? Oh, he took that. Me too, nigga. Me too, nigga. I took that shit too. What up? If and when I get a new car, that shit's gonna be fucking beautiful. Like, I feel like personally myself, I have good taste in how I want my cars to look. Like, I showed you guys my Honda. It doesn't look rice style. It doesn't look fucking stupid. Like, it looks like a nice, nice ass car. So when I get either the new Honda or the new Beamer, whatever I decide to do, just know, like, it's not gonna be riced, bro. It's gonna look actually really, really nice. Really, really, really nice. I've been thinking about, I'm not gonna lie, I've been thinking about getting Lexus headlights for my car. Well, not like actual Lexus headlights, but the ones with the swoop. Oh my God, so gas, bro, so gas. After all these driving videos, POV videos, whatever the case may be, like, my brakes on this shit are fucking done. That's a fucking tire, just, what the hell? Did this nigga tire, oh my God, this nigga's tire fell off. What the fadoodle? Bro, this nigga's tire was just off, bro. Hello? Oh my God, look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. This is beautiful, bro. This bridge looks amazing, bro. Like, actually. Yo, this would be a great spot to take flicks at. In all seriousness, though, like, I want to do more on this channel, yo. Like, low-key, I want to test drive cars. I would love to test drive cars and give my reaction and shit to it. Just so I know what's out there. Like, I want to test drive fucking... Chargers, Challengers, fucking Beamers, tuned Accords, like all this type of stuff. I need to learn how to, like, test drive, learn how to drive. Like, I'm just trying to expand my knowledge. All the way down and across. Can I hit that? Can I hit that? I can't hit that. I can't hit that. No, Urbane caught my ass for real. Yo, that nigga made that cut like nothing, yo. I need to get a fucking Beamer. I need to get a Beamer, bro. The same taillights and shit as me, the same setup. Nice. You got that shit on a white Accord. That's how my car looks from behind? Damn, that shit looks sexy. That shit looks sexy. Woo! shit, bro. I could have easily made those fucking cuts, but this fucking car has brake collision mode. I didn't know that.
Yo, what's good, my boy? 328. Yo, what's up, YouTube?
Yo, I almost macked twice.
You're lying.
Swear to God. I hate y'all roads, bro. With a passion. Man, it smells like fucking straight rubber. Yeah.
I gotta get this on camera.
Wait, this is where fucking. Nah! Nah!
This nigga about to do that shit. God damn.
Yo, Chris is stupid, yo.
Nah, cause he almost crashed into you. So
Cause this nigga braked so hard.
Yeah,
We could have took the yellow.
Am I bugging?
Yo, why did you brake so hard over there?
Because I was indecisive. I was like, damn.
You should have took that, yo. Cause you braked, I had to slam on brakes. Chris had to swerve around me. But he didn't have to take the light though. He didn't have to take the light.
Am I bugging?
Nah.
Yo, you know you got a ticket, right?
I'm pretty sure they caught you.
Oh God, you didn't see that?
I'm pretty sure they got you, bro.
Bro, I thought that was you flashing. Bro, that was you got a ticket. Oh God. It's whenever you come to New York. I put my head out the window. I was like, yo, you wasn't peeking?
Nah.
I definitely do think you got one.
Yeah, bro. The one right there, right next to the Popeyes. Right where the two bus stops were at. You definitely got a ticket, bro. You was the only one speeding, dog.
Alright, let me check out this food. Let me check out this food, man. Furt reactions. Damn! Nah. Yo, he fucking that shit up.
I told you, bro. I thought you said you didn't, because it was me and John. Nah, because Hugo was talking about how to come this.
Bro,
You gonna fuck with it?
this shit better than good. You done?
Nah, I only ate half.
Oh.
So he fucked that shit.
I'm about to say, Urbane, yo, you killing me, yo.
There's no way it's not a garbage though.
That food was bussin', yo. Fucking bussin'. Gonna head to this car wash real quick. And from there, we're gonna head home, man. W vlog. But nah, man, like I said, bro, I hope y'all enjoyed this video so far, bro. Please, make sure you smash that like button. I don't know if y'all noticed, but if I say that, the fucking like button gonna start glowing and shit down below. So smash that like button, subscribe, brother, turn on that post notifications. And yeah, we just gonna keep grinding, bro. Keep being consistent. That's what we gotta do. Consistency is key, which is what I'm trying to do. So hopefully we go with that, man. That shit is so gas. We love that.
He had to put the thing by his car. He's like, yeah, don't let nobody.
NYC__S.live, I think, or S live, with the custom tails. Oh yeah.
But no exhaust.
Oh yeah. Nah, he got exhaust on there, bro.
But it's not sure.
No shot, he don't got exhaust. Los Munchies was amazing, bro. Amazing. Like, I don't know, bro. Maybe it's because I was actually like generally fucking starving. But nah. That food was fucking whoa. I don't know how to describe it. I generally don't know how to describe it. Shit tasted amazing, brother. Fucking amazing. And not to mention the smoothie. Oh my, the smoothie was amazing. Oh fuck, let me get on this next lane. Oh my god. Alright. If my nigga Urbane passes the cop, I pass the cop. Simple as that. The drive home, bro, after a long and good video is always so peaceful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Once again, if I say that, the like button will shine. Please turn on post notifications so you guys know when I upload. But yeah, let's just keep growing and keep grinding, man. New car coming up, new car parts coming up. Just new vibe to the channel, and I can't wait to show that with y'all. Yeah, see you on the next video, man. Peace.